All right, if you're in the market for a good beginner to intermediate acoustic guitar for your acoustic act or just your band, you might want to check out the Tim Armstrong Hellcat. Check this thing out by Fender. Name you can trust. This thing has a solid mahogany top, laminated mahogany back and sides, scalloped X bracing inside, and it comes with a Fishman preamp. It's got a compensated saddle and chrome die-cast tuning keys, which I have removed. It had strip tuners on the back. I removed them and replaced them with Spurs L's because that's what I like. It's got a nice urea nut on here and saddle, and the saddle, compensated saddle, very nice. Pins on here. I like this decoration around the sound hole. It's got binding on this, what appears to be a maple neck. It's bound. And one of the features that I really like about this is I've taken the cover off, but the truss rod is accessible from the top. So when you're adjusting the truss rod, you don't have to go in through the bottom. I really like this Tortoise Pickguard as it sits on top of this mahogany top. My color seems to be a little bit darker than what it appears to be on the website. The pictures are always a little bit different. I like it. It's got your strap buttons on here, jack input right here, and the battery is easy enough to replace. You just pull this lever up, battery comes out, and put it back in, close the lid, and you're good to go. It has a Fishman preamp on here with a tuner, and it's your typical standard type of tuner. You got red on each side, and when you've hit the right note that you want to be on, as you're tuning up, it turns green on the top to let you know that you're there. And it also kills the sound to it, so you just hit the tuner off and you're good to go. It's got a volume knob, a bass, metal, and treble EQ on here. And of course, like I said, you plug it in right here in the back. I specifically like these cat fret inlays, and it has a double skull here on the 12th fret. I just think that's cool. That's me. I like that kind of stuff. It has a nice sound to it. Feels good when you play it. The neck really feels good to me. It came from the shop pretty much set up the way I like it. I had to do a little bit to it. That's just me. For the price point, this is a pretty awesome acoustic guitar. Sounds good, you know, all by itself, and it also sounds good plugged in. You got some options here with the EQ and the Fishman on the top. If you are in the market for a beginners to intermediate guitar, I think this is a good one to check out as you're checking out guitars along the way of your guitar journey. But yeah, definitely I like it. The Tim Armstrong Hellcat from Fender. Pretty sweet. Check it out.